I'm going to show you some interesting function. Let's see this black shape, and I am setting a red dot here and a green dot there and some yellow dots here, here, and let's say this part is also like reddish. And what does this mean? Well, I am implementing a function here that tries to select the color of each pixel by the colors of some known measurement points. So this green dot and also these yellow dots as well as these red dots are points of measurement where we actually 100% sure about the value at this point. All data in between, we don't know any value, but of course we know all the other values. And what I do is I have a distance function. So let's say at this point we have a distance to this point, to this point, to this point, and so on. And the color of this pixel is calculated by the colors of these points weighted by the square of the distance weighted by 1 divided by the square of the distance. So this means in the center of this green dot, the pixel has a weight of infinity of green and some small values of red and yellow. At this point, we have a 100% red and some small, so 99.999% red and some 0.001 greenish, and all these in between. The nearest neighbor influence the value, the more nearer they are. And what we can do now is to have, let's add some blue dots at this region. What we can do is, to find out like probabilities of things we don't actually know, but we know some things that are similar. So when we want to know something about things that are similar to something, we have know about some unknown things, know something about unknown facts, but we have some similar facts. We just have to have a distance function, and we weight all the influences by 1 divided by the square of the distance. So where is it used? For instance, your insurance uses this algorithm. So they don't know you actually, but they know different people like you. So they know people of the same age as you. They know people of a similar age as you, and they also know people of a similar sex, similar age, similar number of childs, similar number of square meters of your house, and so on. And now they have like probabilities that you will die in a car accident, and they already know about car accidents and about the age and gender, sex, and the number of square meters in their house. And now they can find a distance function. So what influences it more, that what influences the probability that you die in a car accident? And so they find out that sex is a really great influencer, so they weighted more for this calculation. And so they have this kind of map with probabilities, and each dot is each center of these colorful circles is a point where they have an actually data set that is really 100% true, and all data between is faded between the samples. So what can you do with it? Please write in the comments what you can use this algorithm for.